We designed this carry-on sized luggage compartment. We always include a camp table, 2 camp chairs, an awning setup. We think we gave it a good design specifically for rental travel. With a camper van, you just extend your range so much further. Hi, I'm Patricio from Bambaja. This is one of our rigs that you can rent out of Los Cabos, and we're just gonna show you around. This is the inside of our Vanlife camper vans. This one's designed for 2 people. So you have 2 swivel seats up front, an eating area, and then this would be your kitchen. With 40 liters of water in a separate tank, you have enough for all of your travel. And then you can always set up your kitchen. With this extendable table, you can set up your camping stove right here, overlooking whatever nice beach you're parked at, or take it all outside and cook in the outdoors. In traditional travel, you would set up a home base at a hotel, and if you wanted to do a lot of activities, here it would be best to rent a car. So then you're spending a lot more money and a lot more time to get to where you want to go than coming back every day. With a camper van, you just extend your range so much further, and most of our clients end up doing a circuit tour around Baja Sur to get to know most of what we have to offer, at least for a good first trip. We try to make your trip as easy as possible, if that's picking you up from the airport or just giving you all of the necessary general supplies that you may need. Cleaning supplies, towels, bedding, speakers. We try to include everything so that you can just land in Baja and hit the road. With the battery setup that we have, you would have 3 days of excess battery capacity if you never charged with the solar panel that we have up top. But I don't think that's a problem here in Baja. We have maybe 3 weeks of cloudy skies in all of the year. All of the lighting and pumps run off of our 12-volt system. With an integrated inverter, at the flip of a switch, you can power your laptop, camera, or anything else that might need charging. We built on a Ram ProMaster 2500. And we think we gave it a good design to maximize the space, designed specifically for rental travel. This is the seating area we have with the swivel seat. You can sit facing each other, enjoy a nice couple of beers, maybe some dinner that you cooked yourself, overlooking our beautiful Baja beach with nice breaks. Up here, what we have is an overhead storage for all of the magnetic curtains that we include for your trips, so you can get all the privacy that you need. We have plenty of storage space for all of your traveling gear and anything that you might buy on your trip. Overhead cabinets are designated for you, with even more storage on top of the bed and ample garage space in the back. We rent out an additional Thetford porta potty if you want that peace of mind and support on your trip, which stores nicely right under this seat and can take weight on these 200 kilo approved sliders. Aside from dining, this also makes for a comfortable workspace where 2 people can work, and we have a designated charging outlet here for you guys. I think traveling with us in Baja Sur is a great experience for both veteran van lifers and people that want to maybe take their first trip to get to see if they like this kind of travel. Veteran van lifers that maybe have their rig really far away and just want to get to know the Baja area will find comfort in knowing that they can fly in, we'll pick them up from the airport, they can do their week-long trip and then head back home without having to drive all the way down here. For friends of van lifers or fans of van life on the internet, I think getting a rental is a great experience to make sure that you really like this kind of life if you're thinking about moving in full time. And also just, it's a great way to travel if you want to do a lot of activities in a certain area, not necessarily looking to go full time into this. Wanting to make the most of the space, we designed this carry-on sized luggage compartment, which slides out so you can get easy access to all of your gear while on the road. We include with every rental dishware, pots, pans, and a designated coffee cabinet up top so you can always brew a fresh pot on your way through Baja. Under the bed, we have a 65-liter Dometic with enough space for fruits, vegetables, eggs, for about a week's supply. We also include a small cooler for you to take things outside, get them on the beach. At the foot of the bed, we have even more storage where you'll find your included towels and you can just have a lot more space to store all of your clothing. On the panel here, we have designated lighting for both the table and the kitchen area, and a dimmable perimeter light that I find really nice when you're staying up later. And in the back, the most important, we have a fixed full bed with comfortable memory foam mattress and a max air fan right on top of you, so you can get cool circulation on those hot summer months. Right above the bed, we have two separate lights that function off of the 12 volt and have a USB plug as well, so you can charge your phone while you're sleeping. Taking inspiration from a lot of the different beautiful hotels and architecture that have come up in the Baja area, we try to make a clean, sleek design that used up the space as best as we could. As a personal touch for myself, we added Saltillo tile, which is made 40 minutes outside of my hometown. On finding places to stay and things to do in Baja, I really think doing an initial dive into different blogs that have covered the area before is interesting. We have our own section on our website, and we're always happy to help travelers plan out their trips and even coordinate activities for their travels. Our clients choose to stay on public beaches most of the time, which are abundant in Baja Sur, and in some of them you'll find toilets and trash bins. Other than that, there are a series of RV parks spread out across the state that you can also stay at, and we're happy to guide you on this process. We moved the spare tire to the back to get more space underneath the chassis for a gray water tank. Your filling port for your shower tank is here, as well as stairs to get up to the deck. We decided to build a reinforced rack to protect our solar panels and max air fan from pesky drive-throughs and parking structures. Walking around the back, we have our garage access with plenty of storage space for different toys, as well as an outdoor heated shower. There's a separate 100-liter tank in the back with its own water pump, and we give out a curtain that you can hang from end to end so you can have privacy here in the back. We also include a shower mat that you can put down so your feet stay clean while you're rinsing off at the beach. We always include a camp table, 2 camp chairs, an awning setup, and then here you can see our beach kit with a separate umbrella, beach chairs, and a cooler for the road. Over on this side of the garage, we have a designated space for all of our electrical, as well as tools that you might need in case you run into a flat tire or something like that. Hope you guys liked our build. We definitely put a lot of thought, work, and love into building it. We're always happy to hear any comments or suggestions you may have for our next ones. If you're interested in traveling around Baja Sur, we'll be happy to host you. You can find us at vanbaja.com, so feel free to reach out. We're always happy to hear from you.